Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. I'm Shannie, and hopefully you decide to stick around. And if you do, make sure you hit the subscribe button and make sure that you also click the bell button as well so that you are notified whenever I post a new video. So in today's video, I wanted to share all of the must-haves, or at least the essentials that you would need when you're getting ready to introduce your baby to solid foods. Okay, so getting right into the video, the first thing you want to do is decide if you want to give your baby store-bought food, if you want to make the food yourself, or if you want to do a mixture of the two. So I decided to do a mixture, and what I mean by that is I actually bought some cereals from Gerber. I got the oatmeal and I also got the rice. Now he hasn't started the rices yet, but he has started the oatmeal, and so far he absolutely loves it. I give it to him in the morning and then I give him a little bit before bed for dinner just to get him used to it, and then I'll be introducing the vegetables and fruit starting this upcoming week. So in terms of the vegetables and the fruits, I decided that I wanted to make his food. And then when it comes to his little snacks and stuff like that, I will also purchase a little baby yogurt and the little cookies and stuff like that. Depending on, what is in the ingredients. Once I'm okay and comfortable with that, his father and I, once we are okay with that, then, we'll just give it to him. But for the main meals, we're going to be making that. So once you make that decision, if you decide to do store-bought, you want to go ahead and stock up on some of those meals. Make sure you get a lot of veggies. Get some fruits, but get a lot of veggies. You want to start your baby off on the veggies first so that they can at least get a palate for it before you give them all the nice sweet stuff and then they don't want to eat any veggies at all. So make sure you go ahead to the store and stock up on the different foods that you want your baby to eat. If you decide to make the food yourself, then go ahead and, research some recipes, get some tips on how to meal prep. It's gonna be very, very hectic in terms of making food and trying to run your household, work, and all that other stuff you have to do. So make sure that you prepare yourself for actually making these foods. Now, when it comes to making your baby food, you can go the old-fashioned way, which is just make it on top of the stove. You can boil it, mash it down yourself, maybe put it in a blender, whatever. Or you can go ahead and purchase a baby food maker. So what a lot of them do is they steam it for you and also blend it up into a nice soft puree. And it gets it very, very fine, good enough for your baby to swallow without choking or anything like that. So like I said, you have an option to go the old-fashioned way or the traditional way where you just make it yourself with the things that you have at home. Or if you want to ensure that you don't have to go through all of that, save some time, you can invest in a baby food maker. And of course, last but definitely not least, you want to make sure that you buy all of the things that you need to feed the baby. So that would be the utensil, the little spoons. You want to get some bowls, get a little sippy cup. You want to make sure that you introduce your baby to sippy cups from the jump, because it's going to help them to develop and learn how to use a cup from early on. And it can also help with baby weaning, weaning them off of the bottle if you want to kind of stop them from drinking actual bottles at an earlier age. Then this would help them to develop the motor skills to actually drink from a cup as opposed to drinking everything from the bottle. So more things you can buy. You want to make sure that you have enough bibs. They have some that are made with silicones. That way it's easy to clean up, easy to wipe off. And they also have some of the silicone ones that has this pocket on the end of it where if there's any spills or the baby spits up or anything, it will just catch it for you and it wouldn't be all over the floor. So go crazy researching all of the types of bibs that they have for feedings and make sure that you get some for your baby. Now, of course, this one is optional. You don't necessarily need a high chair to feed your baby. You can hold your baby and feed them or whatever, but it is a lot more convenient to put them somewhere where they aren't moving about. And also you'd be able to have the both of your hands to do what you need to do as opposed to holding the baby in one arm and then trying to struggle and feed them. So like I say, it's optional to buy a high chair, but you may want to purchase one to make it easier for you. So those are the things that I think are essential for introducing your baby to solids, getting your babies ready to eat some good juicy food. If you've already introduced your baby to solids and I didn't mention something that you use that you find very useful, comment down below, let me know what it is. I love doing research and finding out about new tips, tricks, hacks, whatever. And of course, as I learn more of them, I will come on here and share them with you guys. So comment down below, let me know if you found this video helpful. Give it a thumbs up if you like this kind of video and you want me to continue making them. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Later.